How to link slides and embed videos in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for a class, a meeting, or just for fun, these skills will make your slides more dynamic, engaging, and professional. First, let's head over to Google Slides. Open a new tab in your web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Google Slides. Click the link to open it and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Being signed in is essential because it allows you to save your presentations directly to Google Drive, so you can access them anytime, anywhere. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see options to start a new presentation. You can either choose a blank presentation to start from scratch, or select a template if you want a specific style or design ready-made. For this tutorial, let's click Blank Presentation. A new slide will open, giving us a clean canvas to work on. To add links between slides, go to the Insert menu at the top and select Link. You can create links by selecting text or objects on your slide, clicking the link icon, and entering a URL or slide number. Press Apply, and now your audience can navigate your presentation interactively. This is especially useful for creating a table of contents or making certain sections clickable. Next, let's embed videos. Again, click on the Insert menu and choose Video. A pop-up window will appear where you can search YouTube for a video or paste a specific URL. Select the video you want, click Select, and it will appear on your slide. You can then resize or reposition it to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. By linking slides and embedding videos, you can make your presentation both interactive and visually appealing. Practice these steps a few times, and soon you'll be a Google Slides pro, creating engaging presentations